Hey guys, it's Sean back again with another Star Wars room collection project. So I'm sitting around my room watching Star Wars as usual on TV, and I decided, hey, I think I want to convert my closet door into a Death Star wall. So I just got up off the chair and decided to start measuring the closet door. So I went ahead and measured the height, the width, and the thickness of the existing closet door. Took those measurements over to the computer and created a Death Star wall pattern, which eventually I went ahead and routed out some 1/2-inch birch plywood. And this is what we have here. You see that I've already had it painted. I've kind of started this project a couple of weeks ago. It's halfway done, so I just kind of wanted to show you guys the end results. So right now we're gonna go ahead and flip this bad boy around, and then we're actually gonna glue this to 3/8-inch thick white acrylic, which I already have this pattern glued to the other side. So let's go ahead and do that now. All right, guys, we've already routed and painted one side of the Death Star wall, which I've already glued down to the 3/8-inch white acrylic. I'm using Gorilla Max Strength glue. Buy the clear, because once you go to glue this down, you don't want the glue seeping out onto your white acrylic. So make sure you get the clear and make sure it's the max strength, because this stuff will adhere to pretty much anything. So what we're going to go ahead and do now, we're going to go ahead and apply this construction adhesive to the other side of the wall. We're going to flip this over and we're going to sandwich this bad boy together. All right, come on. Just make sure you don't get too messy. The stuff's actually fairly thick, so it's not going to bleed too bad. Make sure you get enough around the edges, because that's where you're going to notice if it's not laying flush against the acrylic. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to finish this bad boy up, and then we'll show you how we glue it down. Pretty square here. All right, guys, we just laid it down. We're gonna make sure everything's nice and square, and then all we gotta do is put some little clamps on the edges to go ahead and hold the plywood right to the acrylic. Maybe put a couple of paint cans, some center blocks, anything just gonna keep some weight on it, and we're gonna let this bad boy dry for at least 24 to 48 hours. And then our next step, we're actually gonna go ahead and route out the sides for the door hinges so we can go ahead and hang this up. Doing a little touch-up paint on the Death Star wall door, getting ready to put the hinges back on, and then we're going to hang this puppy up. And we're probably going to do an update video for the Star Wars collector room, and I'm sure you're going to see this in there.